Welcome to JJ with Joy. This is the flip through of Tease Digitals that I did for the Make It March collaboration. So I decided not to go ahead and do the scripty, this, whatever. I didn't know what to call it. This, I still don't know. Fleur-de-lis or whatever it is. I was going to do that on the inside, and I tried to look for something rain-like to, do, and I couldn't find it. Anyway, decided to add this little bow on here. This is just some of that rug that was torn apart. Love the little guy. I think it's a little guy with a ducky. So cute. So I sewed in the spine. This is a single signature. The little girl is just adorable, and I left the pocket empty. There could be, something put in it. I did add this in. There was an extra piece here, so that could actually have a little bit of something put in it. And this little girl splashing in the mud. Love it. I did add in some pages from planners that I had purchased before. So a little that. This would be very easy to add something on. I added the Choose Joy on there that I didn't do in my live, but I think this looks pretty neat, the embossing on that. I didn't put anything on this page. I thought maybe it might be enough. And then we have the kitty cats. You can actually write a little bit under there if you wanted to. And then in there. And I love the little kitten cat here with that. It's awfully cute. Just a planner page added in. These two little girls, they're cute. Standing in the rain. I always wanted one of them umbrellas. Always wanted one. This is not hers, but I did add in some extras. I did go ahead and stick in one bookmark that was, and I had laminated this. That's why it's all shiny. And so I really liked it. I love the bookmarks. They're pretty. Some children's pages here. And this little girl watching the duck is awful cute. You'd have to agree, would you not? And there's the center of the signature. I didn't count how many pages it was. There's two little girls holding on. Looks like it's a little windy out there maybe. Just sewed that on there. And the bicycle. And this little guy, he has some little quacks running behind him. So, I thought dream big, kind of like he's the leader of the pack, and maybe someday he'll be a supervisor or president or who knows what. And then we have an owl, a little postcard writing room on the back of that. Added in the boots with some flowers and a little piece of fabric. And there's space for a double pocket here and pocket in front, so you can see there. And then these kids, I look like they're catching raindrops and trying to drink in the rain. Isn't that cute? She really pulled out some really cute digitals. I love these little pockets there. This is hers. This is just a page that I added in. These are blank on the back. And then rainy day. I did a little watercolor stuff, and I liked that the names were stream, I don't know, and so deep moss. So I just put it on there and kind of had it hanging out because that's really cute. It is like pouring on these poor children. I had a camp out like that, trying to cook chicken in the rain. Oh my goodness. I put my little stamp here and signed it. And then that's the back of the envelope. And then we have just a cutout digital. This was not hers. But the back, this is hers. And this. But not this. But I think that's pretty darn cute. And then just the spine. So thanks for being here. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love to see you back. So if you would subscribe, ring the bell, and you will see more. You'll see notifications that way. And this is for the Make It March, my first collaboration, and this is going to be my first little kit that I did. It was Tees Digitals. So I hope that you'll come back and play along, and get your digitals. I'll have all the information below that belong to each one. I'm planning on doing all of them. So play along with us at Make It March. Watch the other collaborators, and I give big thanks to all of the contributors of digitals. So I will talk to you guys soon, and remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a wonderful day.